In this video, you got all the information on Samsung S24 Ultra versus Realme GT5 Pro. The Samsung S24 Ultra released on January 2024 with the price tag of $10,099 and the Realme GT5 Pro is released on December 2023 with the price tag of $600. The weight of these mobiles, the Samsung S24 Ultra with 225 grams and the Realme GT5 Pro 224 grams. The build, the Samsung S24 Ultra front and back glass and titanium frame, the Realme GT5 Pro front and back glass and aluminium frame, and both mobiles come with dual SIM. The display, the Samsung S24 Ultra come with dynamic AMOLED 2X with 16M color and the Realme GT5 Pro come with AMOLED and 1 billion colors. The screen size is same and the resolution of Samsung S24 Ultra is 2K and the Realme GT5 Pro come with 1264 by 2780 pixels. The PPI density of Samsung S24 Ultra is 508 and the Realme GT5 Pro come with 450. And let's talk about the refresh rate. The Samsung S24 Ultra come with 120Hz refresh rate and the Realme GT5 Pro come with 144Hz. The screen to body ratio is same and the protection of these mobiles, Samsung S24 Ultra come with Gorilla Glass Victus 3 and the Realme GT5 Pro come with Gorilla Glass. Let's talk about the camera of these mobiles. The Samsung S24 Ultra come with quad core setup of cameras. The main sensor 200 megapixel wide, 12 megapixel ultra wide, 10 megapixel telephoto and the 200 megapixel periscope telephoto with AI image stacking and 8K video recording. And the Realme GT5 Pro come with triple camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide and the 8 megapixel ultra wide and 50 megapixel periscope telephoto and it's 4K 60 fps video recording. And the selfie cameras of these mobiles, the Samsung S24 Ultra come with 40 megapixel and 4K 60 fps video recording and the Realme GT5 Pro come with 32 megapixel and 4K 30 fps video recording. And let's talk about their platforms. The Samsung S24 Ultra and the Realme GT5 Pro come with octa-core processor and Cortex X4 and the chipset of these mobiles is Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm and the GPU is Adreno 750 and it's come with Android 14 operating system. The memory, the Realme GT5 Pro is come with 12GB and 16GB RAM and the Samsung S24 Ultra come with 12GB and 16GB and the both mobiles have 1TB storage and not available micro SD cards. Let's talk about their batteries. The Samsung S24 Ultra come with 5000 mAh battery and the Realme GT5 Pro come with 5400 mAh battery. The fast charging of these mobiles is Samsung S24 Ultra come with 45 watt fast charging and the Realme GT5 Pro come with 100 watt fast charging and the wireless charging is also included. The Samsung S24 Ultra come with 15 watt fast wireless charging and the Realme GT5 Pro come with 50 watt wireless charging and the both mobiles have 5G network supported and the result is Samsung S24 Ultra have 22 points and Realme GT5 Pro have 21 points.